Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a receipt printer works, from the moment a sale is completed on a POS system to the printed receipt coming out in the customer's hand. First, the process starts when the cashier enters the sale details into a POS system or computer. After the items, subtotal, tax, and total amount are confirmed, the cashier presses the print or pay command. Then, this command is sent directly to the receipt printer. Next, the printer receives the transaction data through a connection such as USB, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or serial cable. Inside the printer, a small controller board reads this data and arranges the receipt layout, including text, prices, logos, barcodes, and total amount. After that, the paper feeding system starts working. A roll of receipt paper is placed inside the printer, and the feed motor pulls the paper forward through the rollers. This keeps the paper moving smoothly and accurately during printing. Then, the main printing process begins. Most receipt printers use thermal printing technology, which means they do not need ink or toner. Instead, the thermal print head heats specific points on special heat-sensitive paper. When those heated points touch the paper, the surface turns dark and forms letters, numbers, barcodes, and other receipt details. As the paper moves forward, the printer prints the receipt line by line. For example, it may print the store name first, then the purchased items, prices, tax, total amount, barcode, and thank you message. This line-by-line printing makes the process fast, quiet, and efficient. Once the receipt is fully printed, the cutting system works. Some receipt printers have an automatic cutter that trims the paper neatly, while other models use a manual tear bar where the cashier tears the receipt by hand. Finally, the finished receipt comes out through the front output slot, ready to be handed to the customer. At the same time, the printer's status lights show important information such as power, paper level, error warning, or cover open alert. Overall, a receipt printer is a simple but very important device used in shops, restaurants, supermarkets, kiosks, and service counters. It quickly converts digital transaction data into a printed receipt using paper feed, thermal printing, data processing, and cutting systems. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.